What is up, guys? We're back for another episode, and today we're going to be installing my AOS. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I have all the lines on. I made a diagram for you guys and for myself to help. I'll explain to you guys that in a bit. But first, we're going to get this installed and mounted. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to remove this bolt right here, remove this old boost sensor that I had that didn't even work. So we're gonna have to move these, and then we're gonna have to mount it with the bracket right there. So it's gonna be here and here, and it's gonna be there and there. So I'll catch you guys in a bit once I have it mounted. All right, guys, so for the AOS, I removed this front hose that goes right here. And then same as this side, the front one, just like that. And let me show you guys a diagram that I made. So here's the AOS with the numbers. And then here's the engine, how I numbered it. And if you guys want to use this, go ahead. As you can see, one. I numbered them where they go on the engine. It's T-fitting, extension, reservoir, inlet right there, turbo. Those are the side pieces I just showed you that I took out. Alright, guys, I'm going to make this as simple as possible. I have it all mounted up. If you guys followed my diagram, then it shouldn't have been too hard. So here I have it mounted already. And so we're gonna start off with the bottom one. The bottom one's gonna go down this way, right here into the turbo line, coolant. So you can see it bends on right there. And then this first one right here is gonna go follow down this way to the front of the inlet. Second one is gonna go down here, right here, to the front of the inlet, and I have the whatever this connector is, I forget what it's called, but yeah. So you're gonna go right there. This one coming out right here is gonna follow down straight right here, coming out the intake manifold right there. And this top one of the three is gonna go right here. I routed it. Let me see where I routed it. Okay, so this top one right here is gonna go all the way to the side, coming down right here. Second one, gonna go all the way around, coming down this way, and it's gonna be right there in the front. Okay, next we have the bottom one. It's gonna go right here, straight into the Y. It's gonna go into the block. And then we have lastly, this bottom one. It's gonna go run this way to the Y. See how it's connected to the Y? So if you guys followed my diagram, it should be pretty simple. And this last one I forgot to mention, I'm going to be installing expansion tape. It's gonna go just like this, right there into that, and then this bottom one into there. So it's gonna be just like that. So that's how you set up the Cobb AOS. Pretty simple, guys. I thought it was gonna be pretty hard, but if you look over the manual and however you want to figure it out, but for me it was my little drawing because I'm a visual learner. I labeled everything, and for me this really helped and made this being a breeze for the install. So yeah, let me get this mounted up and then I'll show you guys how that comes out. All right, guys, we got this mounted now. There's just these two bolts right here, ran the coolant line connected right there, as you can see, and then this last hose I was telling you goes straight to it like that. And these two lines, pretty simple install for this. Yeah, guys, everything's coming together now. Looks like the car should be up and going, at least starting on a base map by next week, and see if there's any leaks. Make sure it's running all nice and good. No vacuum leaks or anything like that. But yeah, so far everything's going along good. All we have left now to install is the cylinder 4 mod, which is I'm not sure where right now, but the oil cooler, cylinder 4 mod, front mount, and then the new radiator, which is all simple things, all just bolt-ons now, which should be fun. I'm ready to finally get this car started and hear how it sounds. Looking really good now. Loving how it looks back here with the downpipe, the AOS right there, and the new expansion tank and the inlet. Oh, and then we need the boost controller set up too. But yeah, everything's coming along good, guys. I think I'm gonna be mounting this back on now. I just am struggling because of this hose right here. It's very hard to get it on. So yeah, I'll catch you guys when I have all that installed. Alright guys, so it is the next day and we got the throttle body installed with the hose. It was pretty tough, but you just gotta force it in there and just be careful when you're putting in the bolts. You don't want to put them in crooked and then strip or rethread your whole manifold and then fuck up everything. So just be careful with that, guys. But other than that, that's it for this episode. So we installed the radiator expansion tank and the AOS, and I'll catch you guys for the next episode, guys. Peace. Like, comment, subscribe, by the way. I like hearing you guys' feedback. What's up, guys? We're back for another episode to the series. Today we're gonna be installing the downpipe with Miggy. Miggy sled, and then Mario's gonna come in a bit too. It's a weird day out today though. Smokey the bear. Yeah, we're gonna be installing the invidia catless downpipe, and it should be pretty simple, not too hard of an install. We already have the car on jacks, and it should just be all these bolts right here that connect to the turbo, and then 2 down there. I'll show you guys everything and tell you guys the specs. So yeah, let me find those specs for you guys and I'll update you. All right guys, so it's gonna be these bolts right here, and it's gonna be 14. So I'm gonna use this to hold the nut and then spin it with the surprise guest pulled up on us. Whoa, what is that in there that I see, that brown? Hey man, what are you delivering today?
Grandma's wheels, man.
Whoa.
Yeah, man.
Hey,
So
man.
practical. Look at this Christmas show, man. So
Yep, practical, man. Oh, even the tires.
even.
Don't sleep, guys.
16 by
That's it. Sheesh. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh,
Oh, those are wet. Dude.
Oh, they're end case too.
yeah, Waynish.
No, it has an end case. That's dopey. Dope.
Dude, these are nice.
It doesn't look so good.
Shit.
16 by 7, 45 offset.
Fuck.
The blue.
Alright guys, so here it is. Titanium, because it's Tome. And then it looks dope. And then it's just going to be a 13 for me, that bolt. And then I'm going to use a wrench to hold the back one. It's going to be a 14. Alright guys, that's the difference between the OEM catted. Look at that difference. Look at that restriction right there. So it's going to be much louder. Hear all the turbo sounds. And I think I had an exhaust leak or something because this bolt was missing. So it could have been opened up. But yeah, that's the difference, guys. 3-inch piping, and then that's, I believe, 2.5. Check out the old gaskets, guys. This one's not too bad. I'm not gonna be using it though. But look at this. Horrible. Especially the 3-inch adapter. Look at, oof. Man, thing got burnt out. These are looking good. Oh my god. Chill, Joey.
My bad, Joe. Joe can never.
Dude, it's gonna look so good. All right, guys, we finally got the downpipe installed. We got new hardware because, long story short, we fucked up and we got new hardware now. And it's finally installed, all tightened everywhere. And those 2 bolts down there are tightened as well. But yeah, it's all good. Okay, as you can see that now it's all tightened down here. Back over here too. All tightened down. So that's the downpipe install, guys. Alright guys, so yeah, all the bolts are tightened under the car. We got all these done now. Invidia. I'm gonna run this through here. Just stay tuned for that video for the gauges. But now, with Luis. Sheesh. Damn, man. What's going on over here? Alright guys, so that's the downpipe install. New hardware. Full straight pipe now. And then we got Hot Boy over here. Sheesh.
Well, Hot Boy?
Yeah. These look good.
Fuck, dude. These pictures look raw.
So much aggressive now. So much more aggressive. So yeah, guys, that's the episode for today. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know What you guys want to see? Late.